Hey, it's Mark. I'm gonna keep this really short because I'm still pretty sick. I got like a chest cold thing and I got some slight pneumonia. So I'm taking antibiotics and seem to be getting better today. So I'm just gonna keep it short here. But I just noticed that Lucid made a 52-week low, and that's a good setup for a short. So I'm probably gonna buy some puts tomorrow. It's my hunch is that the EV the EV car bubble probably burst, this year or last year, really, and that's been reflected with the charging stocks and a lot of these lower tier, or smaller EV companies like Lucid and I haven't looked at other ones like Rivian's another one that's kind of big but small still. And the VinFast just fell apart too. The VinFast IPO. Yeah, see, Rivian's even probably a better setup because it just started to break that flag right there. Like, see these flags? So that flag just broke really today. So so Rivian's a good short, and it could easily hit 12 based on this longer term level. Like that level's right there at about 12. So let's do it Lucid. I think Lucid's like a fresh low. Yeah. So it really has no support. Uh, but yeah, I haven't really traded much. Like I cut my loss on the VinFast calls because I thought there was a chance the market was going to keep going and it was going to squeeze. You see, it kind of started to squeeze right there when it broke that level there. I mean, it's kind of like a base almost. Like when it popped out there, it looked like a squeeze going. So, but they just came back and forced today. So, looks like it's gonna fade out. So I cut my loss. It was like 50%, which is pretty like standard what I like ideally do for options because you get 100% or more gains pretty regularly. Uh, so I'm still watching this Nat. This Nat's kind of like it's got a consolidation here up at that trading range. It could turn into a bull flag here. So I'm just watching what it does. But at the moment it looks pretty bullish. And that's about it really. Like the markets look pretty weak except for the Nasdaq. You can see the Nasdaq's actually like holding above that channel. So it's not. I mean, it's just do a pullback. So it's not really. The fact that it got up that high is pretty bullish, really. And SPY's holding. It's still holding that level too, so it's not really that bearish. I mean, it was due a pullback too, after it's up so much. But it's really tough to call. Like that easily could be the top there, and we just go down to that lower bound, like 418 area. So yeah, it's just really choppy here. Like it's kind of I guess it's kind of a good time to be sick because there's no clear direction really anything except maybe the Nasdaq if it can hold. If the Nasdaq comes out and breaks out again over the past 3 days, that's bullish. But it's most likely probably just going to come back and retest that line, and then who knows what it's going to do. It's kind of like a little too choppy, really, and kind of the same thing with semis. I mean, if you're like really bearish, like it's tempting to just pick a spot here this is the top for a while. But yeah, I haven't really gone through any scans or anything because I've just been taking it easy. But I'll just wrap it up there.